Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a demo. You don't really know you are.
Hey guys, it's your girl Anne, and today we're going to be making our first ever snow globe cup. Here's me picking out the decal with the pink lid, and I think this is going to turn out so cute. So I filled the cup halfway with solution, and we're adding some heart glitters. This is just a very Valentine's Day-esque type of glitters. It's pinks, hearts, different types of pinks, purples. Putting this all in the cup. This is my first cup that I ever made, so I'm very excited. I can't believe this is it's like a dream come true, kind of. But I have gotten a bigger funnel, so don't you guys worry. It definitely takes less time to just fill up this cup. But once you get the glitters in, your next step is basically just to fill the remaining of the cup with the solution, which is what you're going to see me doing here after I add this purple glitter. Again, the glitters are just, the more glitter you add, the more the cup doesn't like really shake in that way. Like it's a slow moving cup, slow flow cup. So now we're just gonna pop that in. I'm gonna give it a good shake. And there's going to be this little tiny air bubble, which is a little bit hard to take out without a syringe, so you will need a syringe. But this is the cup. I'm very happy for it. It is for me, so I'm okay. So now that I cleaned up my mess, we're going to alcohol wipe the cup on the other side where the decal will stick. We want to get rid of all the residue or anything like that that is on the cup. And then we are going to struggle, because your girl struggled so hard, you have no idea. It's not even in there. But this decal was definitely a harder one, and for my first one, I think it just was a trial and error for sure. Things didn't like transfer well from it stuck on the white backing instead of like the actual part that stick to the cup, and then there's like some cursive, and it was just a really hard thing in general to do. I've already had some other cups that I've already tried after this that were much easier. I think it was just the way this cup is. It's more of like an advanced type of decal with a little like cursive writings and stuff like that. There are so many imperfections with this, and you're going to see me get, as you can see, fed up with it and just rip the whole backing off. That's when I found it a little bit easier, but you know, it was already too far gone. So next we're going to make sure we slick everything down with that blue thing. We're going to kind of like make sure it sticks to the cup, so when we pull this top layer off, it will be on the cup and not on that top layer. But again, I struggled with it, but it's all trial and error. Your girl has to learn somehow, right? So we're all learning. I'm just going to go ahead and peel that off as much as I can, and as slow as I can. This is actually sped up, so as slow as I can to do that. And then that's what it looks like. I'm very happy. You're going to see some imperfections, and I'm going to show you guys, again, trial and error. I'm very transparent with it. It could be better, but there's some air bubbles there. There's some of the letters are missing some letters, and it's just like really hard and everything like that. But everything turned out really well and really pretty, since the glitters were so dark on the back. But this is my first snow globe cup, and I am very proud with how that turned out. Yeah, so thank you guys so much. This is the first of many more cups. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next Friday. Bye, lovelies. Mwah.
High volume. Am I really that much?